Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the dictionaries in Python. Now what is a dictionary? Dictionary is used to store the data in key value pairs. Now what is a key? Key, just like a column in a table, and the values are which represents the key. Okay. Now let's see what are the properties of the dictionaries. So dictionaries data stored in the form of key value and it is an ordered data. And we are able to mutate the data, means we are able to change the data according to our wish. And it does not allow the duplicates because for every value we have a key, right? So how do we represent the dictionary? The dictionary can be formed with the help of the curly braces. Okay. Now, let's create a dictionary and we will learn the methods which we are using inside the dictionary. Okay, by writing the code in the Python. Now here I have written the code. So I create a dictionary, right? In this, we have the name, the department, and the office. Now let's run this file to see the output of the dictionary. This is the output of the dictionary. Now we know the keys are name, department, and office. In the values, Avinash, mechanical, and Dept. If in case we want to access only the keys which are present inside the dictionary, then we are able to do with the help of the method that is keys method. And we are able to store them as a list. Now let's see the output. Here, you are able to see all the keys, name, department, and office. In the same manner, if you want to access only the values which are present inside the dictionary, then you can able to do with the help of the values function. Now let's execute this file. Now you can see the output. Avinash, mechanical, and Dept. Now here, if we want to loop through a dictionary, means we want to see all the keys and the values which are present inside the dictionary. We can also do with the help of the items method. Okay. This items method can access both the keys and the values. Okay. Now let's run the code and see the output. You can see name of Avinash, department mechanical, office Delhi. Okay. Now, if you want to see the length of the dictionary, okay, length means how many keys are present inside the dictionary. Then you can do with the help of the length function. Now let's execute and see the output. That is 3. So we have the 3 keys and we got the length as 3. Now next, if you want to access the particular key value. So in the dictionary, we have several keys, right? And we want to access the value of a particular key. Then we are able to do with the help of the get method. Okay. So dictionary d1.get, you have to pass the key name. Okay. So here we pass the department. In the department, what we have stored, that is mechanical. Now let's see the output, that is mechanical. Next, if you want to add one more key value inside the dictionary, dictionary is already made. Okay, now we want to add the key value pair. Then you can also do by accessing the name of the dictionary, that is D1, and we have to pass the key name, that is address and its value. Okay, then you are able to add the key value pair inside the same dictionary. Okay, Now let's see the output. Now you can see one more key value pair, address and the. Next. Now sometimes you want to change the key name, right? You want to change the key name. Then how do we proceed? Here we want to change this department to its full name, that is department. Okay, then how do we do? Just we are going to use the pop method. Okay, now let's see the execution. Now you can see we have changed the name of the department to its full name. Okay. Now next, if you want to change the value of it, here we have changed the key name. Now you are able to change the values which are stored inside the key. Okay. How? We need to access the key, then pass the value. Okay. Access the key and pass the value. Execute it and see the output. So you can see we have changed the name to Aastha. Now, next is if you want to filter the dictionary. If you want to access those items according to some condition. Okay. Now here I want to access those items where our value is mechanical. Okay, where my value is mechanical only. Then I have used the dictionary comprehension. Here x represents the key, y represents the value for xy key value in D1 items. Okay. Now I have put the condition if y equal to mechanical. Now let's execute this file. You can see department equal to mechanical. Next is if you want to merge the dictionaries. We have two dictionaries and they consist of the data. So we want to merge them. How do we do? By using this tilt. Okay. By using this, you are able to merge the dictionaries. Now here we have the D3. Now I want to merge this D3 in D1 only. So I can do that. Let's execute the file and see the output. Now you can see we have merged the D3 in D1. Okay. Now next, if you want to delete a key. So there are a number of keys are present inside the dictionary and you want to delete one of the keys. Just you need to write the del command, then D1, then pass the particular key name. Okay. Now let's see the execution of this. Now previously we have this file. Right. Now we have deleted the address part. Now you can see there is no address part over here. Now next is we are able to empty the dictionary. We are able to empty a dictionary with the help of the clear method. Okay. Now you can see output. By using the clear method, the dictionary becomes empty. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.